Looking to hop into Easter morning with some egg-extraordinary breakfast ideas? Well, you're in luck. We've got some delicious and creative recipes that'll have your family egg-static this Easter. First up, how about some bunny pancakes? Simply whip up your favorite pancake batter, pour into bunny-shaped molds, and cook until golden brown. Top with fresh fruit and a dollop of whipped cream for a delightful Easter twist. Next, indulge in some vibrant Easter smoothie bowls. Blend together your favorite fruits like strawberries, bananas, and blueberries with Greek yogurt and a splash of almond milk. Pour into bowls and decorate with granola, coconut flakes, and Easter-themed toppings for a nutritious and festive breakfast. And who can resist some Easter toast? Simply toast your bread, spread with cream cheese or avocado, and decorate with colorful toppings like sliced radishes, carrots, and cherry tomatoes to create adorable Easter scenes. Whether you're hosting a family brunch or enjoying a cozy morning at home, these Easter breakfast ideas are sure to delight everyone at the table. So hop to it and make this Easter morning egg-exceptional. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more egg-citing recipes and DIY ideas. Happy Easter, everyone!